Hey, my name is Josh Bedsel, and I spoke with Brooke earlier on the phone today, and she gave me this email to send this video over to you. Basically, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're probably sitting there asking yourself, Josh, why are you making me this video? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy to run their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing is content. Before I go to get into content, I noticed that you are in multiple locations. You're in Gainesville, Jacksonville, Dallas, and Houston. So one of the things I noticed right off the bat is that you don't have back pages for your location, so you can grow them back pages organically within service areas that you're servicing. That's very important. You just have a generic one-page website, okay? Of course you have your back pages, but when it comes to service areas, you definitely need those back pages to Gainesville, Jacks, Dallas, and Houston to keep getting drive, okay? So let's get back to content. Content is how you get noticed in SEO, all right? Google has these robots, and they like to see at least 1,500 words on your homepage because they crawl through that content and they look for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what am I talking about when I say keywords? So I go over to this keywords everywhere tool I use. It costs about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you a couple of months. It's extremely helpful. It shows you what keywords you're ranking for. You rank number 1 for LW flooring with 1,300 searches a month. Riverstone flooring, rank number 2, 320. LW flooring, Riverstone, rank number 1, 40. As you can see, you don't have a lot of keywords tailored to your service areas, and that's very important to have. And that's going back to what we were just talking about with your website. All right, so I'm gonna go over here to your competition in Jacksonville, which is Mike Nickel Flooring. All right, Mike's your competition because when we actually go to flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, on the main screen of Google, we have the ads, we have the map pack, and we're going to get to that in a second. But Mike is ranked number 1 organically, therefore your competition. When we go over to his keywords, this is the keywords he's contracting for in Jacksonville, okay? Jacksonville flooring, flooring companies, Jacksonville, floor, flooring contractors, Jacksonville, floor. These are all keywords he's ranking for, and these are all the searches that are coming for just Jacksonville for people looking for the services tailored to their area, all right? So you definitely want more content and you want to get more tailored service area keywords in there, okay? Second thing I want to talk to you about was citations, and that's how you climb through this map pack right here, Google Map Pack, Google My Business. And I believe I found you on the third page of Google for Jacksonville. And that's not awful, man. That's not bad at all. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, their eyes are already on your company. All right. So how do you do that? And that's through citations. I go to this tool I call WhiteSpark. It's a local citation finder. It costs about $30 to $70 a month depending on your plan. And it shows you basically how many citations you have. And you have 13. If you want to beat your competition out by a landslide in the Google Map Pack, you need to have about 200 to 300 of these bad boys. Another thing you need to do, optimize your description. Google offers, I believe it's 750 character limit. Optimize every single one of those characters and implement those keywords that we were just talking about in the description to help you and get some reviews in there. All right. The third thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So I'm gonna go over here to this tool I call Ahrefs. It's a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day and it shows you how many referring domains you have, how many backlinks, the integrity of your website, and the drive of your website. So you have 204 referring domains and 1.62K backlinks. So what are these things that I'm talking about? Well, this link juice, it works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. All right, so I'm gonna go over to Mike's Ahrefs. I already plugged him in. He has 37 referring domains, 189 backlinks, and you have 204, 1.62 thousand. All right. So how the heck is Mike beating you? Well, you have so many referring domains of backlinks going to so many different service areas, it doesn't know what's relative and what's not. So you need to go through each of your service areas if you want to do this on your own, aim out your competition, figure out exactly how many blog comments, how many influence links, how many guest posts, and how many citations each have. And you don't want to just match them, but you want to surpass them with relative sites. And it's very important that you have relative sites, because I'll use LinkedIn as an example again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking to you, because let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. All right. So I hope this was pretty helpful for you. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call me. But I bet you're wondering what now. So you could go with information I provided you today and do this on your own. And I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh and my number is 904-383-8479. Thank you and have a good day.